You've finally saved your first $1,000. It feels amazing, like you're officially good with money now. And then, a few weeks later, it's just gone. No emergency, no big purchase, nothing to show for it. If you've ever looked at your bank account thinking, wait, where did it all go? This video is for you. My name is Eric, and I spend way too much time thinking about why people stay broke even when they're doing everything right. If you're someone who tries to save money but somehow always ends up back at zero, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Look, here's the thing. We're told saving money is about discipline. Cut lattes, stop eating out, cancel Netflix. But that's not why your first $1,000 disappears. The real reason is psychological, not mathematical. According to behavioral finance research from Princeton, people treat small savings differently than large savings. Your brain sees $1,000 as spendable, not untouchable. So you do what feels harmless, $120 for takeout over 2 weeks, $80 on random Amazon buys, $200 treat yourself shopping, $300 car repair, $150 weekend trips, $90 subscriptions you forgot about. That's $940 gone, and none of those felt like a big decision. Here's what most people don't realize. Your first $1,000 isn't disappearing because you're irresponsible. It's disappearing because you haven't given it a job. Money without a purpose gets spent on convenience. Think of your money like snacks on a table. If cookies are just sitting there, you'll eat them without thinking. But if they're locked in a container labeled "Party Tonight," you wait. Savings work the same way. When your $1,000 sits in your checking account, your brain says "available." But when it's moved to a separate savings account labeled "emergency fund," your brain switches to "do not touch." This is where it gets really interesting. A study from the University of Chicago showed that simply labeling savings accounts reduced unnecessary spending by over 30%. Same money, different behavior. Let's say your $1,000 keeps disappearing every 3 months. That's $4,000 per year. Invested at 7% return, that's over $40,000 in 10 years. So this small mistake is quietly costing you a car or a house down payment. So here's how you stop losing your first $1,000. 1. Separate it immediately. Move it to a different bank if possible. 2. Rename the account. Call it emergency only, not savings. 3. Make spending inconvenient. No debit card, no instant transfers. 4. Build a $100 buffer in checking. This prevents tiny emergencies from draining savings. Now, you might be thinking, but I need easy access in emergencies. Exactly. Emergencies, not late-night food delivery and flash sales. Convenience is the enemy of wealth. Your first $1,000 isn't just money. It's proof you can escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, but only if you protect it. Because once you keep the first $1,000, the second becomes easier, then the third, then investing, then real financial freedom. Start treating your money like future security, not present comfort, and you'll be shocked how fast your life changes. If this helped you see money differently, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.